Today's tree work brought to you by Copenhagen, Red Bull, gas station burritos, distance long. All right, just me and Isaac today. Isaac. And we got 2 pine trees. This one directly behind me. Right there. Ready?
Yeah.
Little Chucky's chipping like shit because our anvil's too high and our knives are too low. Adjusted them wrong. So I just wrecked the last, what, quarter, Isaac?
Yeah.
About quarter of that tree into this clusterfuck, so that way I could help Mr. Isaac chip all this shit up and then hike back up and finish the spar. So, yay! Well, got all cleaned up. Gonna have to figure out this chipper, get them knives adjusted proper. We got that tree right there. We're gonna come back Friday and do it rest of the week because they're just scheduled out, but we ain't chipping the rest of the week, and I feel like Chucky's gonna blow up if we keep chipping on it like we're doing. So we're just figuring we get the front cleaned up. I'm gonna go up and I'm just gonna firewood this tree down so that way we don't have to buck any wood on the ground or really move any wood. It's hot, we're tired. So I'm gonna head up and firewood this fucker out.
Cause it ain't over, no it ain't over, yeah. Remember the lives that the lion gets. Keep on fighting like you got one left. Cause it ain't over, no it ain't over, yeah.
Your plans, fuck all that sawdust in my face. We're gonna drop a couple weeks.
Taking a ride up until the end. Still got time if you still got breath. Cause it ain't over, no it ain't over. Gonna tell you know who says come to win this thing.
Well, that's that for today. We'll come back for that other fucking pine. It's hot. Oh, is it blowjob time? It's blowjob time.